I'll go ahead and peel it off. Gently. See that? And then let's go back to our mark. And just to be sure, to the right side of the mirror is about that right there. So I'm gonna pick it up. Let's stick it right there. And voila, you are done. Hello everyone, I'm going to be showing you how to install your Harris County Toll Road authorization card, or HCTA Tag. First of all, make sure you go to their website to register. You can manage your account at www.da.org and activate the new card. Make sure you put the new card number that you were sent. Now, and what else? I think that's one thing you have to make sure you do. If not, when you go through the tollway and those pictures get you, you're still going to be charged as if you didn't have any HCTA Tag. All right, so let's get into this. It says to measure behind the right side of your rear view mirror, which is this. Measure up to 4 inches and that, and peel it, wipe with alcohol, peel it, and all that stuff. Let's skip the instructions. I'm just going to show you. So, measuring with my tape, this is 4 inches. This is going to be hard to film and hold it at the same time. It's going to be 4 inches from there to the right side, from your windshield down to the right side of the mirror, right there, like so. So you can put it right there. And now, if you don't have a tape immediately with you, a measuring tape or something, you can use your finger, because that is 1 inch, 2 inches, 3 inches, and the estimate to be 4 inches right there. That's about 1 inch. Of course, it's not staying straight, but yeah, that's if you don't have a tape. But try to get a tape, guys, so you can measure this correctly. So, measuring from top, my 4 inches is about right there. You see that? And just to see if I was correct, I'm gonna take the tape. It's so hard to hold this and video at once. So I'm gonna take the tape, and it stopped right where my finger stopped anyways. So right there. Let's just say where this is. So we're gonna go ahead and open up our alcohol swab and clean the windshield, and then let it dry off before sticking up your tag. Let's see, where was that I marked? 4 inches down, so that way, over there. And clean it very well. We'll just clean around it too, just in case. And then give it a few seconds to dry. The alcohol wipe already dried off so much. I'm gonna go ahead and peel the sticker. You're gonna peel it this way. Do not peel to the front part, because it's gonna stay like this. I know it's gonna be a little confusing. We're like, okay, so how isn't it supposed to be facing that way and all that? No, what matters is the cameras, the sensors, they know exactly how they have to read the barcode. So it's gonna face this way, which means you're gonna peel the back part where it says stop and all these instructions. Peel it and then stick it like this. I'll go ahead and peel it off. Gently. See that? And then let's go back to our mark, and just to be sure, to the right side of the mirror is about that right there. So I'm gonna pick it up. Let's stick it right there. And voila, you are done. There we go. I'm gonna press it a little bit so make sure it sticks. Now you can transfer your tags to another car and decide to use it, because each tags are registered with the license plate of that car. Let me see, can you even remove it? Yeah, I guess you can remove it and fix it back, but I don't know if it's gonna really stick as good as it's sticking now. So this is how it is on the right side of the mirror. I'm not using the mirror to measure because the mirror could be adjusted and all that stuff. So but towards the right side, 4 inches lower. So I measured my 4 inches and that is where it is. All right guys, looks good. There you go. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe if you haven't, and see you on our next video. Thank you. Bye.